Oh.
I didn't have boogers in my nose.
No?
No. I didn't sneeze.
You just sneeze.
Yes. I'm putting this on him.
Yeah, he's probably cold. Oh, that's nice, Lena. Oh, now the baby sneezed. There, now he's nice and warm.
There.
Oh, he likes us.
Now me.
Little face. Hi, baby. Baby. Hi, baby. Hi, precious. Oh. Look at the hiccups. Why don't you rub his head? He likes that. Oh. You rubbing his head while trying to watch in the camera? Okay. Alright, that's enough. Look it up. Hey, Boo Bear. Cutie pie. You're gonna poke him in the eye if you do that later. Okay, give him a kissy kiss. Mm.
That's my nose.
That's his way of saying back off.
Back off. Back off. Back off. Come on.
Okay, be nice. Be calm.
No, me. That is true.
You gonna lay down under there with him? You took all the covers off of him. Give him some cover. Oh, did you elbow him? Oh, well, he needs some hugs and kisses. I don't think you should lay down too close to him, okay? Yeah, make him feel better. Oh! You see him in there? Let's get up close here. Hi.